Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you on how to recover your Instagram account. So whether you forgot your password, lost access to your email, or your account got hacked. So let's get started. So of course guys, the first thing you need to do here is to go to your Instagram login page and tap on forgot password. So here you'll be able to see this one. So enter your username, email, or phone number, and then so you can either choose if you want to enter your password or find your account through your phone number or your email address. So you need to have these two or either one. So if you no longer have access to your email or phone number, you need to tap need more help on the same page. So from there guys, the Instagram will guide you through recovery steps. So usually asking for details like your old email or device you used before. So for example guys, if your account was hacked, go to instagram.com/hack. So you can choose the option that best fit your issue, like someone else has access to my account. So the Instagram will verify your identity, sometimes by asking you to upload a selfie video to confirm it's really you. So after submitting your recovery form guys, check your email regularly. So as you can see here, you can also go to Instagram Health Center. So here you can choose what type of problem you're facing. So here guys, when you're back in guys, you need to turn on two-factor authentication. So you can update your recovery email and remove any unknown devices. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.